Hey, it's Peter Beattie here, and you're about to discover what some people are calling the most powerful video marketing tool in existence. Now, it's currently being used by over 14,000 video marketers to get more leads and sales and traffic from their marketing videos. Now, in just the last year alone, my team and I have used this tool to generate over $800,000 in sales. And the viral gate feature inside this tool has got us over 700,000 extra views on our videos. Now, we've been working on this tool for over 4 years now and have personally invested over $200,000 into the development of it. What's it called? It's called VooPlayer. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't need another video player. But let me tell you, once you have VooPlayer in your corner, you'll never need another video player again. Because there's something you may have noticed. Most video players concentrate on one big feature. That's why you end up needing lots of them. One for getting opt-ins, one that lets you split test different videos, one that works on mobile, one that comes with a bunch of amazing features but requires a huge monthly fee to host your videos. But when you're doing video marketing like the pros, you don't want one big feature. You need a player that can capture leads, drive viral traffic, run split tests, look great on mobile, tell you not only if your video is converting or not, but why it is converting. And if it's not, how you can fix it and make it convert better. You want a player that can play your videos in the Facebook newsfeed. You want a player that can split test your videos in the Facebook newsfeed. You want a player that can do your retargeting and even let you host your videos for free without any monthly costs. And no, we're not talking about YouTube here. I'll talk more about this in a minute. Now, if any one of these is missing, you're simply losing opportunities here and you're losing money. That's why all these guys who sell marketing video players, when they actually want to make money with video, they don't use their own video player. They go back to something like Wistia. But what if you don't want to pay another monthly subscription and cash on top of that for bandwidth costs if you get more views per month than you expected? And this can really add up to hundreds of dollars per month that you just were not expecting. Ask me how I know. I got hit with a huge bill from Wistia when my videos started to take off and get more popular than I had expected. You don't want to be punished if your business takes off, right? I didn't think so. Well, you're in the right place at the right time. We're not in the business of selling software. We're in the business of video marketing. And so when we set out to make a video player way back in 2011, we weren't thinking about what shiny toys we could add into it. We were asking ourselves, what do we need to add an extra zero to our bottom line? What does VooPlayer need to do to make our videos deliver results like no other? And that's why over 14,000 people use VooPlayer today, because it does deliver results. Results like those $800,000 in sales and 700,000 extra views solely from free viral traffic. Now, usually VooPlayer is a monthly subscription as well, but we've just launched version 3.0, and that means there's a very limited number of lifetime licenses available. And when one of them's yours, you're getting access to not just one, but dozens of video superpowers like the ones we just talked about. Let me give you a tour. We are inside the VooPlayer dashboard. Now, I'm only going to have time to show you a fraction of what VooPlayer can do, but we'll get through as much of it as we can. So once you log in, just click the new video button here, and then go ahead and fill in the blanks here. And then you've got all these options to let you do anything and everything inside of your video. It's really just point, click, and publish. We really have made everything extremely easy for you. So to demonstrate, I'll go ahead and choose a video from YouTube for now. Here's a video I just grabbed. And this isn't my video, it's just one that I found on YouTube that I want to use here. And that means if you find any video that you think that you can monetize, from YouTube or Vimeo, you can just stick it into VooPlayer as well and start making bank from someone else's video. Now, maybe you could find a review video or an explainer video about a product or service that you want to promote. That's totally fine. Just grab that video. Someone else has already done the work to create that video and you make the profit from it. Pretty cool, huh? Now, of course, I told you that you can use VooPlayer to get free video hosting from somewhere else besides YouTube, and I was serious when I told you that. Now if you want to run one of your own videos from Dropbox, you just drop the link in there the exact same way, and suddenly you're using the world's largest free online storage service to serve up your videos for free. Didn't know you could do that, did you? That's pretty cool, I think. Now at this point, our super simple, incredibly powerful point and click interface opens up so you can see the entire superpowers list right in front of you. Now look at all these advanced features over here, and check out this timeline on the bottom here. Every item that you add shows at the exact time you want your viewers to be presented with it. Just go ahead and choose a superpower to add to your video, add an item to the timeline, and VooPlayer automatically handles everything for you. It's so easy, and there's so much you can do here, really. Now you can make an opt-in form pop up at the exact moment you're telling your viewers to sign up for your list. Matching the audio and visuals up like this leads to sky-high conversion rates from your videos, by the way. Now you can make people opt in before they can watch any of your video at all, or you can actually force them to share it for free viral traffic back to your video. Now you can show virtually any custom element like forms or live chat boxes, and you can add a clickable buy button to get more people to your checkout pages or offers. And that's not even the advanced stuff. Take a look at this. Now you can actually use VooPlayer to schedule a video to stream at specific days or at a certain date and time for a live feel without using any other software. Check this out. If you've ever wanted to run webinars before, this is a great way of getting webinar level conversions without actually needing to be there presenting the webinar. You can enable your video to start auto-playing on every visit or on first visit only to avoid annoying repeated visitors. That means if someone starts watching your video, maybe they watch the first 2 minutes, well, if they come back, the video will actually take off from that 2-minute mark. They won't have to restart the video. So this is our feature called Smart Play. This ensures visitors don't miss a second of your video. It triggers video auto pause if the video is not visible in their browser window, and autoplay when they go back. Hey JBs, Peter Beatty here from VideoRevolver.com, and on behalf of myself and my partners on this VooPlayer launch, this means if they scroll away from the video will stop playing. They actually have to have the video in view for it to play. Talk about skyrocketing your video viewer engagement. Now you can also add Facebook and social media buttons inside or under your video right here. You can activate the pulsating play button so your video will never go unnoticed. That play button there is really impossible to ignore, I think. So this is probably the second most profitable feature. Now VooPlayer comes with intelligent video remarketing. Now what this means basically is that you can target or retarget the people who've watched a certain percentage of your video, but they didn't buy. And you can actually recover those lost sales. What's also incredible with this feature is that you'll be able to score the cheapest Facebook ads ever, because sending ad traffic to a video Facebook post is cheap money. And Facebook loves it because you're keeping the traffic on Facebook. Now once you're done adding all your superpowers to your video, just go ahead and click the publish button and publish your video anywhere. You can publish it on WordPress or even your own self-hosted website not on WordPress. You can publish it on Facebook, literally anywhere that you want to. And get this, most of the VooPlayer features work on Facebook. That means you can collect leads, generate traffic and sales all within the Facebook newsfeed. How cool is that? Also, everything magically gets configured behind the scenes automatically, so you don't have to publish your link or video code again if you want to make any changes to an existing video. If you ever want to make changes to an existing video that you have on your site with VooPlayer, just go ahead and make your changes in VooPlayer, click save, and then the video on your site will auto update. Now, one of the coolest things with VooPlayer is that there are over 1,000 combinations to build an entire video marketing funnel inside any video that you want. If you can think of it, you can create it with VooPlayer instantly with a simple point and a click. Now, I've only shown you a few of VooPlayer's superpowers, and I bet your mind is already racing with all of the ways you'll be able to use VooPlayer to generate more traffic, more leads, and more income from your videos. Next, as your video is up and running, you can click the Insights button and have X-ray vision of your video's performance to make better video content decisions and watch your profits and conversions soar through the roof. For example, you can actually see which parts of your video that have been watched, skipped, and rewatched for each and every single viewer of your video. You can view a detailed engagement graph and see metrics on how the audience as a whole has viewed your video. Now, even Wistia doesn't have analytics as good as VooPlayer's. Those other guys will be spending like $50 a month and you'll be beating them with VooPlayer. So let me show you one more thing. I said that the remarketing was the second most profitable feature. Now this is the one that beats it. This is where VooPlayer lets you split test your videos right inside Facebook. This, my friend, is a game changer for you. You can test hundreds of videos on Facebook from a single Facebook video ad or on your website. Whether you're testing different prices, call to actions, video content, or trying out a new video style, video split testing is the fastest way to find out what works for your audience. Now you can start split testing any variables of your videos on your website or Facebook within just minutes with just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Just select 2 videos that you want to split test, or select hundreds for all we care. You can select as many as you want to split test. Step 2. Copy a single link and paste it into your Facebook page, Facebook group, or Facebook profile, or simply run a Facebook video ad. Step 3. Measure the results and see which video your Facebook fans relate to most. Forget about guessing and instead boost conversions through the roof with solid data. Whatever you do online, VooPlayer is there for you. Sell products? VooPlayer's shifted millions of dollars of product already. Of course, you'll be able to capture a load more leads, but what you'll really come to love are the analytics. Learning exactly which bits of your video are engaging and exactly where people start to drop is going to add a lot to your bottom line. You don't even need a product of your own or a video of your own. Just find a review video on YouTube, drop your affiliate link in there, boom, instant income stream. Maybe you're building a following. Then you can use VooPlayer to run regular live webinars when you're nowhere near a computer and set up retargeting to bring back your most engaged viewers. Everything you've seen here, this is why people gladly pay $19 a month for VooPlayer access. And it's exactly why they absolutely love VooPlayer.
Looks pretty good, right? Now, even at the usual price, you're getting much more with VooPlayer than what you would get with Wistia, and for a much lower price. And that's because we let our users host their videos for free on services like Dropbox. Now this means we don't have the huge running costs that these other sites like Wistia have, so we don't have to charge you a bunch of money. We're basically passing the savings on to you. Now today is your lucky day, because today is the day that we release VooPlayer version 3. And that means there's a very limited number of lifetime licenses available. That's right, more power than Wistia for one single investment. No recurring fees. Now obviously we can't afford to keep this deal open forever. In fact, it's going to be closing down in a few days. But right now you can get access to VooPlayer and all the amazing features I just showed you, absolutely everything we just talked about, for life, for one low payment. Now all you have to do to claim that discount is go ahead and click the button below me here on this page. Once you do that, you'll be taken through the secure checkout process in JVZoo, and once you complete that, you'll get instant access to everything. Now with the video remarketing, Facebook in newsfeed split testing, free video hosting, Wistia crushing video analytics, automatic video streaming, and much more on your side, your videos are really going to start taking off. So thanks so much for watching this video. Go ahead and hit that button below me right now to grab your discounted copy of VooPlayer version 3, and I'll see you inside the members area.